YouTube's picture-in-picture feature is now available for all iPhone users. And here's how to turn it on or off. For this, we need to open YouTube and tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the settings icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and select playback. At the bottom, you'll find picture-in-picture. Make sure it is enabled if you want YouTube videos to continue playing in a floating window while using other apps. But there is one more setting you need to check. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Go to General, tap Picture-in-Picture. Make sure Start PIP automatically is turned on. Once both settings are enabled, you can leave YouTube and continue watching your video while using other apps on your iPhone. If you don't like picture-in-picture and want YouTube to stay full screen, simply disable these two settings. One inside YouTube and the other inside your iPhone settings. Like this tip? Hit the like button, subscribe and follow for more iPhone tricks and hidden features.